Hi guys, in this video I show you how to adjust the audio in Capcut, how to do fade in, fade out, and how to reduce noise. Let's go! If you want to start the song with low volume, press fade and adjust fade in. If you also want to reduce the volume in the end of the song, press fade, fade out and adjust. If you have a voiceover like this, hello and welcome to this video. You can use the voiceover to play it in the same time as the song is playing. You can use keyframes on the song to reduce the volume, choose the volume you like or even silent. Later, after the voiceover has played, you can increase the volume also by using keyframes. The result is amazing, check it out. Hello and welcome to this video. To enhance your voiceover and to reduce noise, please go to reduce noise and activate. That's all for this video, thank you for watching and see you next time.